In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero. Whether you're tidying up your financial accounts or simply need to remove an old bank account, this process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. To begin, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into Xero accounting software. If you haven't already, navigate to the Xero login page. Once there, simply click on Login. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to carefully type in your email and password, double checking for any typos. This step is essential for accessing the dashboard where most of your accounting tasks will begin. After entering your details, click on Login once more to gain access to your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Accounting tab. This is typically located on the main navigation bar. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from here select Chart of Accounts. This section is where all your financial accounts are listed, and it's the area you'll use to manage them. Within the chart of accounts, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Browse through and locate the bank account you wish to delete. It's important to ensure that you've selected the correct account to avoid any accidental deletion. Once you have identified the right one, there should be an option to delete it, generally found on the right side of the account listing. Before proceeding, double check if you might still need any data from it, as deletion is final and might impact your records. After opting to delete the account, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure by Xero to ensure that you truly intend to delete the account. Carefully review the prompt, and when you are sure, confirm by selecting OK to proceed with the deletion. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a bank account in Xero. Remember, while this process is quite straightforward, it's always a good idea to review any financial decisions carefully, as they can have long-term implications on your organization's accounting. If you ever find yourself unsure about deleting an account, consulting with a colleague or a financial advisor might be helpful. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Always ensure you keep your financial data organized and delete any unnecessary accounts carefully. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.